नमस्कार साथियों। हेलो, नमस्कार साथियों। आज इस विशेष पत्रकार वार्ता में मैं सबसे पहले कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष श्री मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे साहब, विधायक दल के नेता पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धारमैया साहब, हमारे जुझारू अध्यक्ष प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी श्री DK शिव कुमार साहब, कौंसिल लीडर BK हरिप्रसाद साहब, मेरे वरिष्ठ साथी जिनका मार्गदर्शन लगातार हमारे साथ बना रहा, कांग्रेस भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के संगठन महासचिव श्री KC वेणुगोपाल साहब, working presidents, AICC secretaries, dignitaries on the dais. Let me take this opportunity to welcome each one of my journalist friends from print and electronic media who's present here in this special press conference. I also thank all the enthusiastic leaders and workers of the Congress Party who are present here as part of this special press conference. I assure you, you are on this dais in spirit, if not physically. Today is a historic occasion. Karnataka has created history. Karnataka has shown a new light for democracy, not only for people of Karnataka, but for the entire country. ताली आप ना बजाइए, सिर्फ सुन लीजिए बात। मुझे आपके जोश की मैं कदर करता हूं। From the bottom of my heart, on behalf of my colleague KC Venugopal ji, myself and each congressman and women, millions and millions across the country, I want to thank 6.5 crore brothers and sisters of Karnataka, our fellow Kannadigas. This is a victory of every Kannadiga. This is a victory of every voter of Karnataka. This is not a victory of the Congress Party alone. Today, on behalf of my colleague KC Venugopal ji, myself and each congressman and women, millions and millions across the country, I want to thank 6.5 crore brothers and sisters of Karnataka, our fellow Kannadigas. This is a victory of every Kannadiga. This is a victory of every voter of Karnataka. This is not a victory of the Congress Party alone. Today, the Swabhiman of Karnataka, the brand Karnataka, that has truly won. And I thank our fellow Kannadigas from the bottom of my heart on behalf of Indian National Congress and Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee. This is a victory also of each and every toiling Congress worker and Congress leader who gave it all to ensure that Karnataka is free from a 40% corrupt government of the BJP, who toiled so that brand Karnataka could be rebuilt and path of progress and prosperity could happen again. I thank each one of our fellow Congress workers and Congress leaders. This is also a victory for my PCC president, my CLP leader and the entire team of our MLAs, ex-ministers, ex-MLAs, PCC office bearers, working presidents. I also take this opportunity to particularly thank Shrimati Sonia Gandhi ji, without whose blessings, despite her not keeping so well, she make it a point. She called Khadge Saab, she called Venugopal ji, she called CLP leader, she called PCC president. And she said, I also want to come. And she contributed and she proved to be a lucky mascot, if I may say. It is Special thanks to Srimati Sonia Gandhi from each and every worker. And I'll be failing in my duty if I will not thank our hero, our leader, a person who only guides us, a person who toils selflessly, a person who takes all the brickbats but never takes credit, the one and only Shri Rahul Gandhi ji. He walked for 600 kilometers almost. For 22 days, he was with us in Karnataka. No wonder I was looking that almost every constituency that Bharat Jodo Yatra touched, that constituency Congress party has won. The Congress flag is flying there. Wherever Shri Rahul Gandhi ji went, almost 80-85% of those seats we have won. I thank Shri Rahul Gandhi on behalf of my PCC President D.K. Shiv Kumar ji, on behalf of my CLP leader, also on behalf of Khadge Saab, for spending so much time during the campaign. We almost feel he is a part of Karnataka. He is a Kannadiga. I especially also thank one more person who, by her words, by her road shows, by her affection and affiliation to the Congress workers, energized our cadre, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji. Despite keeping a little unwell at that point of time, she never backed out. Every single public meeting we requested her to come for, she came, she addressed, she mingled, she absolutely shared the affections and blessings of Kannadigas. I also take this opportunity to specially thank Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji. Friends, before I call upon Honorable Congress President, I want to say two more things. प्रजातंत्र को बचाने का एक नया मंत्र इस देश में कर्नाटक ने आज दे दिया है. Karnataka has given a new mantra to save democracy in India. So this is not a victory that is restricted to Karnataka. It's a pathway to save democracy and save constitution across India. I don't want to use the word of our Prime Minister, who often speaks about Congress Mukt Bharat, but people of Karnataka have ensured that BJP Mukt South India has happened. It's also an answer to the politics of divisiveness, politics of hate, politics of dividing based on religion and communities. People of Karnataka have shown कि केवल देश में और कर्नाटक में मोहब्बत की दुकान ही खुलेगी, नफरत की दुकान पर उन्होंने ताला लगा दिया. We stand committed to fulfilling the 5 Congress guarantees, as Shri Rahul Gandhi said earlier today. We stand committed to a transparent and accountable government for every Kannadiga. We assure that the next Congress government of Karnataka will serve each and every fellow Kannadiga. Even those who have not voted for the Congress, we will go out there and win their hearts also, so that we serve every single Kannadiga to the best of our capability. I now call upon Honorable Congress President to say a few words to us at the beginning of this press conference.
बस छोड़ दीजिए. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಜೈಭೇರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಈ ಸಲ ಭಾರೀ ಬಹುಮತದಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಿಸಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಾವುಟ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ CLP ಲೀಡರ್ ಅವರು, KC ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಅವರು, ರಣಜಿತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಳಿತಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಖಂಡರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮಿತ್ರರು, ಇದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ BJPಯವರಿಗೆ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಕೆಣಕಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟಾಂಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ के दरवाजे बंद हो गए ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ರು. ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸತ್ಯ, BJP ಮುಕ್ತ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತ. ಏನು ಅಹಂಕಾರದಿಂದ ಯಾರೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ದಿವಸ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.